Here's some Industry 4.0 trivia. Subscribe. What technology connects the internet with physical devices? Is it A, cloud computing, B, AI, C, VPN, or D, IoT? The correct answer is D, IoT. What is the term for smart manufacturing? Is it A, sustainable systems, B, advanced robotics, C, Industry 4.0, or D, mass production? The correct answer is C, Industry 4.0. Which technology allows machines to learn from data? Is it A, machine learning, B, user interfaces, C, supercomputing, or D, quantum computing? The correct answer is A, machine learning. What does AI stand for in technology? Is it A, automated interface, B, artificial intelligence, C, augmented innovation, or D, analytical input? The correct answer is B, artificial intelligence. Which cloud service platform is most frequent in manufacturing? Is it A, AWS, B, Oracle Cloud, C, Alibaba Cloud, or D, IBM Cloud? The correct answer is AWS. What does big data describe in context? Is it A, large data sets, B, traditional databases, C, simple algorithms, or D, small files? The correct answer is A, large data sets. What does VR represent in industrial training? Is it A, variable response, B, visual results, C, video resource, or D, virtual reality? The correct answer is D, virtual reality. What type of analytics predicts future trends? Is it A, historical analytics, B, prescriptive analytics, C, predictive analytics, or D, descriptive analytics? The correct answer is C, predictive analytics. What does AR refer to in industrial applications? Is it A, augmented reality, B, advanced robotics, C, automated reporting, or D, artificial rendering? The correct answer is A, augmented reality. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.